Okay. Remember, I am going to have I'm gonna put an engine in it today. So it's the morning. So I like it. Yeah, so let's get this. So put on in. No, not any, as is the sound of the engine. I mean, but I need to spray anything after the yeah. So I like that. Yeah, I did it. So I'm gonna put this away in just that in case. But yeah, that's good. All good. But look, just to that. Wow. But let's look at that engine for that Chevelle. I'm gonna put in today. So I'm gonna like it. And put this spray paint here. So I'm gonna like it. So yeah. Wow. Look at this engine. Wow. How nice is that? Good? Yeah. So I would like that. I'm gonna put it right over. So I'm gonna like it. But look. And just for that, I'm gonna put in some engine. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it up. Yeah, I'm doing it up. How nice is this engine? Looks better. So, I'm gonna like it. Yeah, that's enough. So, that has gonna say. But yeah. And put this in at that color in here. Yeah, okay. So how do I take it off? I take it off like that. Okay. Let me see. So just to see. So yeah, and just that Chevelle. So I like that. So yeah. So I'm just doing it today. But look. Engine. Wow. Nice. So I like it. So just there yeah, that's gonna sound like that. So I will like that. So yeah. Anything the goodest Chevelles ever, but yeah. But I don't know. But I think they still have to buy exhausters at the morning or at the afternoon. I think they're gonna buy it Sunday, yeah. So thank you, bye bye.